Step 5 is about getting the brace bar into position on the fixed panel. So before you start, make sure you've got the fixed panel nice even distance on the top of the bath edge there. There's a few steps to do on this, but it's relatively straightforward. You're going to mark out where you need the, so just offer it onto the piece of glass. Mark out where you need it on the wall. Once you're happy, then it's a case of undoing there's a little grub screw. Just make sure you've got the bath plug covered up. Little grub screw on there. The wall side comes off. So just speed up video while I drill these out, get the fixings in. Slow it down there. So that's the wall mechanism fixed in. So if you slot the brace bar, there you go. Nip up that grub screw again. The screwdriver handy. What I need to do is, on this hinge mechanism, on the back of the screws, and there's already a cushion pre-installed in there, but you get 2 more to put on the glass, just to make sure that it's got plenty of cushioning. So you just need to see about slotting them into the right position. And then there's an Allen key that just needs tightening up there on the top. So that's that fixed panel into position. Once the sealant in the last step's applied, that's very secure. So that is step 5 completed.